In this video, we're going to go over the Compose Mail feature. From the dashboard, you can click on the Compose Mail icon in the top center of the dashboard. You'll see three options to sort your tenants or compose an email. The first option, selecting tenant status. This is a nice feature to contact your tenants before late fees are applied. Selecting tenant status reveals a drop-down menu that will allow you to select overdue, unpaid, or suspended leases. With the overdue lease option, you may select what status of overdue leases you are going to contact. Less than 1 week, more than 2 weeks, or more than a month. For the purposes of demonstration, we are just going to select all. Once the list populates, you will be able to preview the email going to each tenant in that category. To send to all the tenants, click the checkbox at the top of the column. To send to some tenants, simply click the checkbox in the row the tenant is listed. Now that you've selected which tenants you are going to email, you may simply click the Send Email green button above the list. The next option is the default template. This will generate a template which, when sent, will go back to the database and grab the relevant information for the tenant. All you have to do is select Default Template. Search for the tenant in the usual way. Either select tenant name or unit number. Input the tenant name. The predictive software will display tenants matching your criteria. Select the appropriate tenant. After you have selected your tenant, you will get the option to send the email by template or by draft. Selecting by draft will enable you to type a company logoed email with the tenant's email address already in place. Selecting by template will deliver a pre-filled email address, subject line, and document with macro tags that will refer to the database. Remember, changing the macros will disable the ability for the email to go back to the database and send relevant information to the tenant. The draft and email option is a basic email program that will allow you to enter an email address, subject, and then draft an email with company graphics in the email.